Good morning, everybody. Today I got to put the passenger side patches in that truck. This is what we're starting out with. Got the one cage bolt there, or cage nut that the fender will tie into, bolts onto. And then the inner panel here, I'll probably come pull those apart, use the one to make a pattern, and then go from there. So that's what I'm going to be up to today. Yeah, so I got them cut apart. Gonna make a pattern, got a new cage nuts put in there. We'll do that, and we'll build that other side and then get that in. Okay, so I got the inner fender made, clamped in there. There's a little bit of contour to that I can't quite figure out. I need different machines if I'm going to be really good at this, so it is what it is. But we're going to get that in, and we'll put that patch in, and that cage nut in, and then this fender will be pretty much done. One thing I didn't show on that other side of the truck was I had to put these cage nuts in. It'll probably need some adjustment on the fender side when I do that. So I just wanted to get that in there, and I guess that's a start. It's not, I didn't do it as an exact science, so that side of that fender was all smashed up. Both fenders were in pretty bad shape, so there'll be some straightening and things I have to do there. So hopefully those will line up when it comes time to put the fenders on. So the major challenge for the weekend was get those two panels in and patched. They were rusty and I needed to replace them. And I got both sides in, plus new cage nuts in the hole. Now, those might be wrong, who knows? But yeah, that's what we started with today. This is the passenger side inner and outer. So I made patterns and cut them out and put them in. And that's the really only, other than those little patches I put in the firewall, that's really the only body work I've ever done or kind of attempted. And it's fun. I like the welding, so that gives me a little bit of a challenge. Sometimes it goes pretty slow. It wasn't as challenging as that, but I guess that was the learning curve. So I think now I'm gonna hammer and dolly out some of the dents in the back of this and see what we get, and we'll go from there.